The world of finance books is a treasure trove of knowledge and wisdom that can unlock the path to prosperity for anyone willing to delve into its pages. These books offer invaluable insights into the intricate workings of money, investments, and wealth creation. By immersing oneself in the world of finance literature, individuals can gain a deep understanding of how to make their money work for them and build a solid foundation for financial success. You are welcome to Wealth Mirror, a place where aspiring billionaires find their inspiration. If you are new here, consider subscribing and turn on the notifications so you won't miss other interesting videos like this. Firstly, before we start, we would like to tell you the importance of financial literacy. Financial literacy is the cornerstone of personal financial success. Without a strong understanding of how money works, individuals may find themselves trapped in a cycle of debt and financial insecurity. By investing time and effort into building their financial literacy, individuals can gain the knowledge and skills necessary to make informed decisions about their money, investments, and financial goals. Within the vast realm of finance literature, there are countless books that offer valuable insights into the world of wealth creation. These books cover a wide range of topics, from personal finance and investing to entrepreneurship and wealth mindset. By curating a list of 100 finance books, readers gain access to a wealth of knowledge and perspectives from some of the brightest minds in the financial world. Here are the 14 eye-opening wealth secrets from 100 finance books. Secret number 1: the power of compound interest. One of the most powerful wealth-building tools explored in finance books is the concept of compound interest. Compound interest allows individuals to earn interest not only on their initial investment but also on the accumulated interest over time. By harnessing the power of compound interest, individuals can watch their savings grow exponentially, setting the stage for long-term financial success. Secret number 2: developing a growth mindset toward money. A crucial lesson learned from finance books is the importance of developing a growth mindset toward money. Embracing the belief that wealth is not fixed but can be expanded through hard work, perseverance, and continuous learning paves the way for financial abundance. By cultivating a growth mindset, individuals can overcome financial obstacles, take calculated risks, and seize opportunities for wealth creation. Secret number 3: leveraging the stock market for wealth creation. Finance books provide invaluable insights into the world of stock market investing. By understanding the fundamentals of stock investing, individuals can harness the power of the stock market to grow their wealth. From learning about different investment strategies to understanding market trends and analyzing financial statements, finance books equip readers with the knowledge and tools necessary to navigate the stock market successfully. Secret number 4: real estate investment strategies. Real estate has long been considered a reliable avenue for wealth creation. Finance books delve into the art of real estate investing, offering readers strategies for identifying lucrative opportunities, analyzing market trends, and maximizing returns. By understanding the nuances of the real estate market, individuals can build a robust portfolio of properties and enjoy the benefits of passive income and long-term appreciation. Secret number 5: building multiple streams of income. Diversifying sources of income is a key wealth-building strategy discussed in finance books. By creating multiple streams of income, individuals can safeguard themselves against financial setbacks and increase their overall earning potential. Finance books explore various income-generating avenues, such as starting a side business, investing in dividend-paying stocks, or generating passive income through rental properties or royalties. Secret number 6: the art of budgeting and saving. One of the fundamental principles emphasized in finance books is the importance of budgeting and saving. By creating a well-defined budget and adhering to it, individuals can gain control over their finances, reduce unnecessary expenses, and save for future goals. Finance books provide practical tips and strategies for budgeting effectively, tracking expenses, and developing a disciplined saving habit. Secret number 7: understanding and managing debt. Debt can be a double-edged sword when it comes to wealth creation. Finance books shed light on the different types of debt, such as good debt and bad debt, and offer guidance on how to manage them effectively. By understanding the impact of debt on personal finances and implementing strategies to minimize debt and optimize repayment, individuals can pave the way to financial freedom. Secret number 8: investing in yourself and your education. Investing in oneself is a crucial aspect of wealth creation often highlighted in finance books. By continuously learning and acquiring new skills, individuals can enhance their earning potential and open doors to new opportunities. Finance books encourage readers to invest in their education, whether through formal education, professional development courses, or self-directed learning, as a means of unlocking their true earning power. Secret number 9. Creating a strong personal brand for financial success. In the modern world, personal branding has become an essential element of financial success. Finance books explore the concept of personal branding and its impact on career advancement, business opportunities, and overall financial prosperity. By developing a strong personal brand, individuals can differentiate themselves from the competition, attract lucrative opportunities, and command higher income potential. Secret number 10. The importance of networking and wealth building. Networking plays a vital role in wealth creation, as connections often lead to opportunities. Finance books emphasize the importance of building a strong professional network and nurturing relationships with like-minded individuals. By expanding their network, individuals gain access to valuable resources, mentorship, and potential business partnerships, all of which can accelerate their journey toward financial success. Secret number 11. Embracing risk and learning from failure. Risk-taking and failure are inevitable aspects of the wealth-building journey. Finance books teach individuals to embrace risk, as calculated risks can lead to significant financial rewards. Moreover, finance books emphasize the importance of learning from failures and using them as stepping stones to success. By adopting a mindset that welcomes risk and failure as valuable learning experiences, individuals can overcome setbacks and continue on the path to prosperity. Secret number 12. Harnessing the power of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is a powerful wealth-building tool explored extensively in finance books. By starting their own business, individuals can take control of their financial destiny, create multiple streams of income, and build significant wealth. Finance books provide insights into the various aspects of entrepreneurship, from idea generation and business planning to marketing strategies and scaling operations. Secret number 13. Building a diverse investment portfolio. Diversification is a key principle discussed in finance books to mitigate risk and maximize returns. By building a diverse investment portfolio, individuals spread their risk across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities. Finance books provide guidance on constructing a well-balanced portfolio that aligns with an individual's risk tolerance and financial goals. Secret number 14. The role of philanthropy in wealth creation. Philanthropy is often viewed as a natural extension of wealth creation. Finance books explore the role of philanthropy in society and its impact on personal fulfillment and overall well-being. By incorporating philanthropy into their financial journey, individuals can make a positive difference in the world while also experiencing the satisfaction that comes from giving back. In conclusion, the world of finance books offers a wealth of knowledge and wisdom that can unlock the path to prosperity for anyone willing to explore its depths. By delving into the 14 eye-opening wealth secrets revealed within these books, individuals can gain the knowledge and skills necessary to build a solid foundation for financial success, from harnessing the power of compound interest and developing a growth mindset to embracing risk, building diverse investment portfolios, and giving back through philanthropy. The secrets within finance books offer a roadmap to financial abundance. It is now up to individuals to take action, apply these wealth secrets to their own lives, and embark on their journey toward unlocking their path to prosperity. Thank you for watching our videos. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share with your friends on social media, and do watch more videos on our channel. We love you.